Two, yeah. All right, kids, it's time to go over this test real quick. If you've been a good class so far, you've taken your mini quiz, you have traded it with someone who is not yourself, and of course, you've used the crown to write CB in your name on the bottom. Now, let's go over these questions one by one and see how you did. This first one's not so bad because the denominators are the same. You have 4/12 plus 5/12. Well, you just add straight across the top there, 4 plus 5, and you get 9/12. 9/12 is okay, and if the person put that, go ahead and give them credit for it. However, if they put 3/4, which is what 9/12 can reduce to, you know what you can do? You know what you can do? You can give them a bonus point. Ooh! So this first one, 1 point if they put 9/12, 2 points if they put 3/4, because you got a bonus. Aw, yeah. See what happens when you reduce? See what happens when you simplify your answer? You get bonuses, man. All right, let's keep going. 19 4/7 minus 10 1/7. And problems like this, I always recommend doing the whole number first. All right? 19 minus 10, well, it's 9. And how about 4/7 minus 1/7? The denominators are the same. So it's really simple. You just got to subtract the 1 from the 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Booyah. 9 3/7. Happy day. We're the best. Hooray, hooray. All right, let's move on. That can't be simplified, by the way. That is perfect just the way it is. 9 3/7. Some multiple choice. This may look familiar to you. And if it does, good for you. That just means you're paying attention. 1/6 of an hour to walk to the playground. Thank you very much. And then 1/3 of an hour to walk from the playground to the school. Thank you very much for that info. How much time does it take Susan to walk to the playground and then to school? This is an addition problem. But the denominators are not the same. Make them the same! This 3 can totally be a 6, like over here. We can make it a 6 by multiplying it times 2. Whatever you do to the bottom of a fraction, please also do to the top. Our new fraction is going to be 3 times 2, which is 6, 1 times 2, which is 2, 2 over 6. So we don't need him anymore now. We need to do 1/6 plus 2/6. Altogether, 1 plus 2, that's going to give you 3/6. But there are no 3/6 choices. You can reduce. 3/6 and 3 and 6 can be divided by the same thing. 3 can be divided by 3. 6 can be divided by 3. That gives you a final answer of 1/2, which means C is the correct answer. All right, keep up with me now, Either they have it right or wrong, put the check if they got it right. If they got it wrong, make sure you circle what they should have put. Hector can throw a ball 50 3/5 feet. Lee can throw the same ball for 48 1/3 feet. How much farther can Hector throw it? How much farther? These numbers. This is a subtraction problem. 50 3/5 minus 48 1/3. If I were you, I would do the whole numbers first. 50 minus 48. Well, they're only 2 away. 48, 49, 50. Yeah, 50 minus 48 is 2. Thank you very much. Now let's do the fractions. 3/5 and 1/3. Jeez, 3/5 and 1/3. The problem is, they're not the same on the bottom, are they? The denominators are not the same. We can make them the same. Before, on the problem before, we turned this 3 over here that's all scribbled out into a 6. But now, we can't do that. A 3 cannot become a 5. So you have to do the combined powers step. You remember that? You multiply the numbers by each other. 5 times 3. That gets you your new denominator for both fractions. What about our new numerator? You go diagonally up. What's 3 times 3? 9. Diagonally up again. What's 5 times 1? 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. And that's over the 15. 4 over 15. Oh, that all together is your answer. 2 and 4/15. Do you see that anywhere? Right there, baby. Letter B. That's the one you need. Make sure you check it if they got right, or circle it if they didn't circle it. Only a couple left. Yoshi spent... Oh, this is the hardest one. This is the hardest one. Yoshi spent 1 1/3 hour reading and 3/4 of an hour doing chores. How many total hours did Yoshi spend on these activities? This is an addition problem. Let's take this 1 and put it to the side just for now. Okay, put it to the side. Let's add the 1/3 and 3/4 together. Now you can't really do that off the bat because the denominators are not the same. Gah! But we need to make them the same. We have to use the combining the powers method. Combine. 3 times 4, what is that? Well, know your times tables. 3 times 4 is 12. That is the new denominator. How about the new numerators? Well, 4 times 1 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9. Now we just got to add 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, think about it for a second, 13. 13 over 12, that is. Look at that fraction. Look at this guy. 13 over 12, that is so improper. So improper. Do you remember how to change this into a proper fraction? Divide 12 into 13. 12 only goes into 13 one time. And you have a remainder of 1/12. But even that's not the final answer. You have this 1 and 1/12, and then you have that 1 that we put to the side. If you add them both together, you get 2 and 1/12. That was a tough one. But if you somehow got to the letter C, good job. You either guessed really well or you figured it out somehow. Well done. That's the hardest one of the whole quiz. I wonder if anyone got that right. Raise your hand even though I can't really see you and this is just my voice if you got that right. Okay, let's move on. Last one. You should recognize it. C plus 2.5. Which situation could be described by the expression above? Well, it's plus, right? So look at the key words. Leah jogged C miles yesterday and 2.5 miles farther. Ooh, farther. That could be plus. How about the next one? Fewer? No, fewer is minus. Look, fewer again. That's minus. Leah jogged 2.5 miles. And C times? That's multiplication. No. The only answer, it has to be A on that one. A. All right, guys. I hope you're being nice to your substitute. I hope you're listening. I'm going to come back and find out all about it. But for now, we're all done grading. Make sure you count the number that the person got right and use your crayon to circle that little number on top, and you can return the test to the original owners. Good job, guys. Have a nice Friday. Bye.